Namaskar dear students. I have made this special video for your doubt clarification. I have seen in comment section that many students were asking about Alankara. How to attend Alankaram Salakshanam Nirdishata. That I am showing through this video. Kindly watch this video completely so that you will get idea how we have to attend this main. In your 100 marks question paper, 53, question number 53, that will be Alankaram Salakshanam Nirdishata. I think you are able to see that. Here we have to identify which Alankara is there and we have to write Lakshana. Lakshana, you know, Lakshana means characteristic. That definition we have to write in Samskrita language. By practicing that Lakshana, we can score 3 marks very easily. Now I will show how easily we can attend this main. In our textbook workbook part, we have Alankaram Salakshanam Nirdishata part. Whatever the lines they have given there, we should thorough. And especially I would like to say you that Upama Alankara is very, very important for you people. What is Upama Alankara? Yes, Upama Alankara is simile. That means there will be comparison. One thing will be compared with some other popular thing. That is only Upama Alankara. And its Lakshana is given like this. Upama yatra sadrashya lakshmirullasati dvayoho. Where two, that means the thing which will be compared and the thing which is being compared. The thing which we will use to compare and the thing which will be compared. The similarity between those two should be rich. That is what the definition says. However, by remembering this definition, Upama yatra sadrashya lakshmi rullasati dvayoho, you can attend this main very easily. If you come to the workbook part, in first and second lesson there is no Alankara main. So directly I am going to third lesson answer. Chicheda papasya kapihi nigrahajnyaha iva kruda. This is the second question they have given. That is Upama Alankara. You have to write Upama Alankaraha Lakshanam Upama yatra sadrashya lakshmihi ullasati dvayoho. By writing this you will get 3 marks very easily. To write proper Alankara name you will get 1 marks, and to write Alankara in Samskrita, that means to write the characteristic Lakshana in Samskrita properly, you will get 2 marks. Totally 3 marks will be there for this main. And same Upama Alankara is carried even in 4th lesson. That is Madhye Tapodananam Kisalayamiva Pandupatranam. This also carries Upama Alankara. Whenever Upama Alankara is there, you have to write Upama Alankaraha and Lakshanam in Samskrita. Hope you understood very well.